They have a lot of fresh fish. What do you mean?
Can we have a look? 안녕하세요.
Crazy business.
저기요. 네, 곰치국.
곰치국?
Good morning and welcome back. You know we've been doing this for a long time, but this one's different. This feels new. It's a new season, Bob. You know we're stuck in here, but you get out.
이거지가 원래 정식 명칭이구나. 아, 저는 저거 강추입니다.
아, 그래요?
해장으로는 끝이.
곰치국 2인분.
Okay, thank
근데
you.
난이도는 좀
난이도가 있어요?
식감이 조금 애매해서 그죠?
그렇죠. Very early in the morning and fish there illegally.
Caught something.
I think that's what we had this morning.
Probably, yeah. Fried chilies.
Is it spicy? Spicy?
It's really delicious. She's oh wow.
오! 얼큰하게 빨갛게 맛있겠다.
조금 더 끓여서 드셔야 돼요.
There we go. Wow.
De hader, og det er også fair nok.
You have a very weird hit when you take the 0.5.
That's delicious. That's like a snack.
Oh, it's sugar. It's rolled in sugar. Wow.
I feel like these are valid as snacks.
You see the whole night. You can bring it to the cinema.
Exactly. Yeah. Be crazy
well.
to pull out in the middle of Endgame. Should we try this?
Yeah, try it.
I'm really impressed by.
The jiggle.
As a waiter, you can't be nervous. Because if you come walking in like this, excuse me, sir. Here's your food.
Why is it wiggling?
I have no idea. I'm so afraid.
텐션이 많이 올랐네.
Let's try it. You want to try it too?
Yeah, that's right.
I'm not a big fan.
That's so good.
Oh, yeah?
Sesame oil and the seaweed.
Uh-huh.
So that's number one,
Uh-huh.
and that's number two. And these two, you could eat as a snack on the go.
Oh, yeah?
Would that be weird, you think? Like if I was riding a train, could you do me a favor also
Yeah.
and ask Mrs. Boss Lady what this is called?
I'm gonna ask her when she comes over.
Yeah, of course. No rush. 감사합니다. Thank you so much.
So what do you think? Should we start eating this thing or? You're gonna love this. Okay, well, come here with your thing. I'm gonna serve you up.
아, 이게 정말 예술이죠. 가뜩이나 또 오토바이 타고 이렇게 좀 으슬으슬 할 때는
감사합니다. Thank you so much.
진짜.
동해에서
어,
먹을
와,
수 있는
이거
별미 중에 손에 꼽히죠. 손에 꼽히.
진짜.
Is it squid?
야, 너무 신기하다.
Is it fish? Is it fish or is it squid? What did you order?
I have to ask.
You always trust me.
Yeah, but I just don't want my fish medium rare.
No,
I like it well done, as in done.
국물은 너무 싫은데 저 식감 때문에 건더기 안 드시는 분은 많아요.
아, 그래요?
저 호불호가 이게 분명히 있습니다.
Maybe it's not. I have to ask the lady. This is oh, okay. No, it's a fish.
So 2 questions. What are these?
What
What is
these?
that? Yeah. 안녕하세요.
불이 너무 세요.
잠시만.
감사합니다.
이거는 뭐예요? 여기?
이게 곰치 여기 배 쪽에.
아, 오케이.
예.
벨리. 이 여기?
그거는 올방갱이 무기라고 사람들이 많이 접하지 않았어요.
아, 슈가 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Still.
Dude.
That's a mystery.
You're just like, okay, I have no idea what you're talking
Well,
about.
that's the fish belly, so it's not squid.
Okay,
Skin, no?
and this was chili,
Yeah.
but this was #1 priority.
Yeah, sorry. I was really thinking hard, but I couldn't get it.
Okay, I'm not mad.
I'm looking.
I'm just disappointed. I'm looking.
I'll figure it out. I won't stop asking.
Wiggly.
Where's the wiggly diggly done? That's a move. It's a move I like to call. You have to watch out for the bones, huh?
Nah.
Hey, it's still alive. It's gonna go back to the ocean.
와 너무 신기해. 진짜 슬라임 먹는 것 같아.
Whoop. Good. Do you want me help?
No, I'm good. I'm independent. Well, I'm actually not at all. I've been following you around all day. Like a dog.
Nice with some warm soup, huh? Do you think I'll be able to sleep tonight? After that's a move. It's a move I like to call a smart move.
많이 이상하진 않은가 봐.
잘 먹는데요?
I don't know, I'm trying to find
It's nice with some warm soup, huh? I think it was 18 when I first met, but I think it's up to like 20 months now.
Yeah, that was like something out of a musical.
Do you think I'll be able to sleep tonight? I forgot to.
아니 한국에 뭐 한 8년 40년 같이.
Geography, we are very protected. Of course, we got the ocean all around us, but you have like, it's good. It's good with the spice.
Really good. This white fish. Delicious. Very tender. Was it warm as well? Oh, wow. Ah, nice.
Is this tofu?
That's the, no? It's either the brain or the eggs. No, I think it's like some part of the fish. Try it.
Det kan godt være ligner, ikke?
No, it looks nice.
It's good.
잘 드시네.
Yeah, it tastes like the rest of the soup, but it has like this tofu
Texture. huh?
texture, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the fish, you know, they utilize every part of the animal. Have a dish for every part of it.
I feel like that's also showing respect for the animal. But that's why I also eat, when I eat chicken legs, I eat the brusk.
College.
Yeah. Just if something happens, I'm ready.
That was nice.
Do you want to try to ask her again before I eat the last one?
No, I will search. Whew. Yeah, sort of this one, look.
Here we go.
Oh, yeah, it's mook, I think.
Mook.
묵이라는 것까지는 알아냈어요.
Oh, yeah, name's cold. All right, back again? Yeah, you are ready. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's good. It's good to be moving. Oof. A little bit more.
이게 무슨 여행이야? 전지훈련이지.
You ready for it?
One way.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, bro.
봐봐, 아무도 없잖아, 아무도.
There was a few Korean people looking in shock.
그렇지, 그렇지. 지금 기온이 8도면 저 수온은 훨씬 낫거든요.
우와, 대단한데?
야.
Should we go in one more time?
No, you're good. You can go in.
아, 근데 보통 이렇게 들어갔다가 사우나 들어가야 되잖아요. 근데 없잖아, 사우나가.
Should have had a sauna.
추웠다.
Oh, wow. He is a real Viking.
As soon as I hit the water, it was like I came to my senses. Really kick-started the day. The water was so beautiful and we had the beach totally to ourselves. That was really special.
We didn't see the sunrise this morning, but that was a good plunge. You like that, huh? It's so fresh, though, huh?
Yeah, gets the blood flowing,
Yeah.
gets that kickstart feeling.
Really does.
That was well said.
Thank you.
Okay.
Fresh.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Bye, Mom. Bye.
Whatever happens, this was Rasmus' idea.
Okay.
Did you? Oh no! Oh my God!
Okay.
Did you? Oh no! Oh my God! Dude! Oh no! Oh my God! Dude! Oh no! Oh my God! Dude! Rasmus! I can't let go! Oh my God!
야, 야, 번지 점프는 될 게 아니네.
Oh, dude!
진짜
Dude!
무섭겠다.
Dude! I don't want to be an eagle anymore. I don't want to be an eagle anymore. Oh my God! And it's clean. And it's clean underwear.
I need new underwear.
I don't want to be an eagle anymore. Oh God! Oh! I don't want to be an eagle anymore. Oh God! Oh my God!
Let go with the hands.
Okay.
Okay, I think I'll let go when we fly.
But look at it. Okay, just enjoy it real quick.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Wow, that's amazing. Det er for sygt der. Okay, I'm not talking Danish anymore. Oh my God. Oh, dude. I miss my bike. I miss the ground.
I missed the bicycle. Okay, this is actually going to be amazing. I have to let go. Whoa.
Okay, letting go in 3. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. My leg. My leg. Oh my God.
Oh, this feels fun. It's like flying.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm flying. I'm an eagle. I'm an eagle. I'm an eagle. I'm an eagle.
나 진짜 나는 것 같다. 글라이더 타고.
I'm an eagle. I'm an eagle.
Honestly, man, that was scary going back there.
Well, you're crying too. Happy tears.
That was quite emotional.
I enjoy being an eagle for like.
Ooh, yeah, that was good being
I'm
in
really
here. Oh, man, that was beautiful when we got out there.